Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the best water vest on the market, the XGEAR Adult USCG Life Jacket. Whether you're into swimming, surfing, kayaking, or any water sport, this life vest promises top-notch safety and comfort. Let's explore why it's a must-have for water enthusiasts everywhere. The XGEAR Adult USCG Life Jacket stands out with its robust construction. It's crafted from durable nylon Oxford fabric with a soft PVC foam flotation on the front and lightweight EPE foam on the back. Designed with safety in mind, this vest comes equipped with 4 heavy-duty 1.5-inch wide belts and solid quick-release buckles. These features make it incredibly easy to secure and remove, even in emergency situations. Additionally, it includes a built-in survival whistle, a crucial tool for signaling and communication during water activities. Comfort isn't compromised with the XGEAR Life Jacket. Its thoughtful design includes an inside pocket with Velcro closure, perfect for storing valuables securely. Available in various sizes, from small to XXXXL, it ensures a snug fit for all body types, enhancing both comfort and safety. Whether you're hitting the waves or simply enjoying a leisurely float, this vest is versatile enough to accompany you on any water adventure. Its functionality spans across swimming, water skiing, tubing, and more, making it an essential piece of gear for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, the XGEAR Adult USCG Life Jacket is more than just a piece of safety equipment. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship and thoughtful design. With its durable materials, secure fittings, and added features like the survival whistle and storage pocket, it's clear why this vest is a favorite among water sports enthusiasts worldwide. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy your adventures on the water with the XGEAR Adult USCG Life Jacket. Happy exploring!